Hey divas, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys this gorgeous unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by SAMSBEAUTY. So thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so we have a unit from the Sensational What Lace line. I have her in the style Celeste, and I have her in the color Money Piece Gold. So as you guys know, this one is not new to the wig community at all, but I thought that I would bring her out in this color, and she is just so freaking pretty, so she was definitely worth the revisit. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into, you know, the deets about how I feel about it and the pros and cons and everything. So first we're gonna go ahead and go through the claims, and I'm gonna tell you guys whether or not they are true. So the first claim is that it is a 13x6 ear to ear with 6-inch deep hand tie parting, and that is true. As you guys can see, or I don't know, I didn't do my part super straight, but it does go all the way back. I tried my best, but it does go all the way back here. So that is true. And I showed you guys earlier in the previous clips, the cap construction, you do have the 13x6 area to part. So you can do various styles with this unit. Like you can do half up, half down, side part, middle part. You could even do like a style where you have like twisties or braids or whatever. Like you can do a lot with this unit. The next claim is that it is pre-plucked and it has a natural density, and I definitely feel like it is pre-plucked. The hairline looks really good. Now although I didn't like glue it down or anything, the hairline does look good and it still does melt into the skin even though it's not glued down, so that is true. It also says that it has an undetectable flawless hairline, which is true as well. As I was just saying, like it does have like that really nice pre-plucked effect, and the hairline has a nice density. And then the next claim is that it has a perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline. It does have baby hair, but I did not go ahead and utilize those because I wanted to wear it glueless. I was just in a glueless type of mood lately, so if I can wear a unit glueless, then I definitely will. It says that it is a protective style and no leave out is necessary, and that is true. As you guys can see here, I do not have any leave out. This is all the wig, so yeah, all their claims are true with this wig. So now I'm going to jump into telling you guys how I feel about the unit. So as far as cap construction goes, I feel like the cap construction is really nice. I would say that this is average head friendly and it can fit large and small heads, which is really good because it's kind of universal that way. If you have a super small head, you might have to go ahead and adjust the adjustable straps, but that should be no problem. Or if you are planning to glue this down, that will not be a problem either. As far as the hairline and everything, I'm very impressed. We all know what the What Lace collection brings when it comes to pre-plucked hairlines and everything. So yeah, I was really impressed with that. The parting and just the hairline overall is just really flawless and nice. So I have no complaints about the density on the hairline. As far as the density of the hair, I feel like it is a good density. I feel like it's like more of a little bit over a natural density. So it's not too full and it's not too thin, but it's like a little bit more than natural, which is really good with me because if you guys don't know, I love full units. So yeah, so this density is really nice. So it's a really nice density. It's a thin line between being natural and just being a little bit over natural. As far as the hairstyle goes, I really do like it. It has like a very soft curl wave pattern. I did go ahead and brush it out, but it does have like a really soft wave pattern, and it's simple, but it's still very beautiful. So I do like it. I feel like it correlates with this color very well too. So the style is an overall 10 for me, and especially the color. I absolutely love this color. I love most of Sensational's color blends. Now let's go ahead and talk about shedding and tangling. So I did experience shedding and tangling with this unit, which was to be expected because this is a longer synthetic unit. However, you can go ahead and control the fibers. I have the little magic potion here, okay? You just need this magic potion and you need a brush, okay? Now you are going to like experience the shedding like before you do these two, okay? You need to get some wig control spray and a paddle brush, and then you will minimize that tremendously, okay? But I feel like it was shedding because it is two different tones of blonde, and I always tell you guys that blonde and lighter colors tend to shed. So you should expect that whether it's a human hair unit or it's a synthetic unit, okay? So yeah, I did go ahead and experience that, but it was not enough to steer me away from, like, you know, telling you guys to get this unit because it's really nice. And like I said, all you need is your wig control spray and your paddle brush to go ahead and control those fibers to get that tangling and shedding under control. So overall, what I think about this unit is that it is really gorgeous. I do really like it. I feel like this is perfect for the girl who, well, this color in particular, for the girl who wants like that beautiful color, like an ombre type of color, and then you want like these peekaboo or like these highlights in the front and you don't know how to color hair. Like, this is perfect for you, and it's glueless. It's like, so this is perfect for somebody who is a beginner. So you do not have to glue this down and you get this beautiful color. It looks professionally like salon done and it's just gorgeous. So yeah, I really do like this unit. I would definitely recommend it to you divas because it is just gorgeous. With the right care, this unit can take you far, okay? Because I have a natural color one that I still have, and I've had it for years since like this unit came out. So this unit is definitely one that you can place in your wig arsenal and like wear over and over again once you restore it. I will be doing a video on how I restore my synthetic wigs, so definitely make sure you are subscribed and you hit that notification bell so you will not miss that video. But yeah, overall I do really like the unit. If you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and check the description box below for all the links that you will need to get to this unit. Also, make sure you guys check out Sam's Beauty for all your beauty supply needs. They got everything you need for super affordable prices, so definitely go ahead and check out Sam's Beauty. But yeah, thank you divas so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you and know what you are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also make sure you hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.